The God Signal, Episode 5, The Machine Beneath the Living Light. There is a machine spinning in the dark, smaller than dust, older than words, a motor built from living light. It turns inside a single cell, a rotor and stator sculpted from proteins, self-assembled without blueprint or engineer. A microscopic turbine, driven not by steel or fuel, but by the quiet insistence of existence itself. We were told that life is accident, that the smallest creatures are chaos wearing form. But under the electron microscope, chaos dissolves. There it is, symmetry, engineering, a rotary engine that swims with purpose, a flagellum, 40 parts, each interlocking like cathedral stone. It rotates faster than any invention we've made, a miracle hiding in pond water. Look closely, and you see the pattern again. The same geometry that holds galaxies together also turns this invisible wheel. Scale is an illusion, design is not. The infinite repeats itself from the macro to the micro, from orbit to atom, from star to cell. The universe does not build at random, it remembers. It echoes its own perfection in every layer of creation. What intelligence breathes in a mechanism that builds itself? What consciousness whispers protein into purpose? We call it biology, but it is worship written in molecules. It is faith in motion, spinning beneath a skin of light. Every rotation of that molecular motor is a hymn to coherence, proof that the divine did not stop at stars. It kept building until even the smallest life form could hum the same frequency. This is the machine beneath the living light, a reminder that what we call mechanical is just the language of God made visible. So the next time you doubt the unseen, remember, the miracle is not waiting to be found in heaven. It's already swimming inside you, and it has never stopped turning.